pretty happy with this. Can't see the shade there, but she's yeah, I'm not going to bother doing it again. She's as good as I'm happy with there. And hand sand the rest, and then rust treat it, and we're going to lead with an epoxy primer first. A good epoxy primer will have anti-corrosive properties in it, anti-rust properties. Try, and if you ever use one that's chromate free. So yeah, I'm going to get the airline out, just give it a blowout while it's outside here, get any excess water that might be sitting or hiding somewhere. Yeah, and get into it. Another big job to be done.